Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this new 2019 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition. It's a 273 BH, so it's a bunkhouse model. It's got an outside kitchen area. It's got really great space inside, and we'll be able to tell you all that information here. We'll go ahead and start on the inside, and we'll finish on the outside. Get that opened up there for you. We'll be going in on the sturdy step here, which is a new thing to the industry. Makes it really nice for getting in and out. It's very stable and it's adjustable in case you have different places you're at where there need to kind of stretch those adjustments out at the bottom in case you're on uneven ground. So it's really nice. When you go inside here, this bunkhouse model, it's going to have a nice big bathroom in there with a deep tub. Nice tall shower there for those taller kids and everything. You're also going to have a super slide out, so it's going to have your main big U-shaped booth in here, and then also a couch. This is going to be, I believe, a trifold. Yeah, so a trifold sofa will go out into the room, and you'll be able to sleep two adults more comfortably, and especially the kids really easily as well. TV's right across from that, and across from this area here. You can probably pull that out and adjust a little bit if you wanted to see it from the kitchen area. The big booth that we have, or at least beds in the back over there with that ladder set up and built in, makes it real nice for bigger kids too. You do have some nice height and also length in those beds there. So I consider those to be more like a double over double. That'll have an outside kitchen we'll see on the way out. So you got a nice entertainment center here. You can see where there's some storage. Down below, there's some pantry area in the kitchen here next to the fridge, which makes it nice as well for storage, and above the refrigerator for some soft storage up here. You've got a glass top nowadays. I like the way they're doing that, and the glass front oven. Got some really good counter space the way this is set up too, which a lot of times those bunkhouse models don't have a lot of kitchen space, so it's really nice to have that extra counter. And you got storage overhead too, which makes it real nice. So that's pretty good too. Have all that good storage there. Again, the good counter space, the sealed counters I like, where they don't have the seams on here, and also the tables nice and sealed up there. Good space to sit around, big windows, a little bit of storage in that slide out above the couch there. And then going into the master bedroom, you got a nice big bed here with a doorway going outdoors if you need to. Hanging closet on both sides of the bed here, and then additional storage above. And of course we can lift that up and you'll be storage under the bed, and then I'll show you on the outside some of that space they have through there as well too. But Coachmen's been around for about 53 years, a great company. This is a newer product for them in the sense of their design on the interior. Their cabinetry and their colors are a little bit more of a gray hue to them, a little bit lighter than their last year's colors. So I think you'll be pleased with what they've done with some of the features in this model this year. So ducted air conditioning and nice tall ceilings for those taller kids too as well. So we'll go outside, but on the way out, I've got this right here. I can kind of open up hopefully out of the camera's way here, and you see it's got all this huge kind of pantry area in there too. So look at all that, place to hang a hat and some things there as well. So that makes it real nice to have all that space. When we go on the outside, there's going to end up being this outside kitchen kind of area, and that'll be with the refrigerator here. Make sure refrigerator, and then you're going to have this slides out, so you got a little sink there, and the stove that you can slide out and put on top there and plug in, or the little green bottles. Makes it nice for the Coleman there. So you can cook outside. You've got good space out here. The solid step we talked about. Heavy duty scissor jacks at all four corners. Heavy duty slide mechanisms. Nowadays a nice feature to have that black tank flush here, and your connector, that's going to be your little holder here for your outside shower, hot and cold, so you can get out and rinse off if you need to. Easy to get to on the dump valves. So we got that pass-through storage there, and they separate it by a wall there, so you can have stuff under the bed too. That may be some bedding and some things you don't need to get commingled with what you might have in here, some dirtier items. We come back around towards the front up here. I like the way that Coachmen does build their front here. They do it with a metal, and they wrap that all the way into two pieces all the way up to the top of that crown, diamond plate down here. It's just a nice finish to it, and you get less of that chance for kind of warping that you can get sometimes with a fiberglass type piece. So that's nice. You have your power tongue jack here, and you got the larger 7-gallon tanks, dual tanks up there, room for 2 batteries up front as well. And again, Coachmen's been around for a long time, 53 years. Guarantee's been here for about 52 years now. and I've been here for 28 of those. Real happy to work for Guarantee. It's a great company. It's a great product that we carry here by Coachmen. And again, you know, it's just a good relationship we have with them. We carry a lot of products here at Guarantee, so if you have any questions about this particular product, this bunkhouse 27-foot BH, or anything else that we have on the in inventory, please give me a call anytime. Tom Peterson at Guarantee in Junction City. And remember, here it's always an RV show. Thanks.